Yeah man, anytime you see the sun shine through the bush, my people, I entertain my time. Remember me tell you, Alkaline, they're on the table today. You understand me? When we say they're on the table, Alkaline, I headline my video today. My people listen, because we're not going to hear some holy pass up. Yeah man, Alkaline in the light today, my people. Alkaline are one big top artist, my people. Different from Bounty Killer, different from Mavado, different from Vibes Cartel. Alkaline music, Vendetta boss. We not take side with no artists, but the Alkaline are the top artists after. What we say after, everybody will listen for the last word come out. You understand me? Vibes Cartel first. Mavado second, Alkaline in a different line. That's why I name Alkaline, because I line up different. It's a man where avoid people. It's a man where in a business where you want to talk say. You understand me? Them man in a trace. Them man they a man will just give music, and I want the best music them. You understand me? And when we say best, we not compare with no artists. I just the best music them. You understand me? Alkaline is very picky artist to drop music. You understand me? Because when Alkaline drop music, Alkaline no deal with no friend thing. He kill everybody. Just the same with Vibes Cartel. You understand me? So when we tell about Alkaline, Alkaline is one little young youth now where understand the game. That's why fan base are people who avoid people. You understand me? All of Alkaline fan base are people who avoid people. So you can't go to them and they go tell them about this and tell them about that. You have to do it in a music, and if you don't like what you are saying in music, you just turn it around and burn fire upon some people. You understand me? Big up Alkaline every time. You understand me? Because them youth, there is a youth who understand the game from the start to the finish. Every artist in a Jamaica challenge him. And me not gonna say every artist in win or every artist in lose, but every artist challenge him. And none of them not come out victorious. And I like say him kill all of them, you know, but none of them not come out victorious. All them come out as making more money. You understand me? So anytime an artist I compare with Uno, a good something, because I make other people sooner. You understand me? Yeah. That's why Cartel go find a lady named See Them. Because if you not see them artists, yeah, remember me tell you, them are going to lead you to a dark part. You understand me? So with the boss get him lady name, me See Them. You understand me? You have to put respect on their name, you know, because they do some great things in a way. You find say it go down in a history. You understand me? So if history start right for them name in there already, big up the teacher. But enough artists don't like, and enough people don't like when we talk about Vibes Cartel and Alkaline at the same time. But you have to talk about the sensation them and the people that were up in the thing, we are going with the thing. You understand me? Alkaline is a man now. How him name Alkaline, you know? A Blue Mountain in go, you know, and go see water come out of the rock, you know. You understand me? Yeah, because one farmer up there tell me, say him go to Blue Mountain and see the water come out of the rock, and when he look, the water just run go down to one factory and then just buckle up the water and set it on the shelf. No preservative, you understand me? Yeah, so the farmer say from that day till now, and that name they have, Alkaline. You understand me? And Alkaline is a very important thing to your body. Anything where have a alkaline, you understand me? So respect and manners to Alkaline same way. Bounty Killer are the boss, you understand me? So none of you can this Bounty Killer. No care what you do and say, and no care what you do now. Artists when you do things for, you can't go against him. Because you can cuss for 1 or 2 days, but when it touch in the rest of the day, them, you can't go no further, brother. You understand me? Bounty a teacher. You understand me? Being a man now, I want little man were different. Them man they why them man they have to get stage show every day, you know? Because them man they charge cheap and them man they a dancer. Them man they full with stage performance. You understand me? When them man they go up and stage, sometimes you not even hear the music. You just see like a marker man a go down the flank, go down the flank. You understand me? Big up being the man. All the entertainer they want to talk about today. You understand me? Yeah. So when we are talking about being a man now, being a man is a man now where him and the girl them whatever, you understand me? But you can't fight for kingship, brother. It have to give to you. And it have to give to you for the goodness what you do to the people. You understand me? Yeah. Being a man is a man where him no business with nothing, you know. Be a laugh and joke and lick you up on your shoulder. He's a man who love come hug you up as him brethren and then sitting there. You understand me? So I just every man have their own part to play, brother. You understand me? Yeah. We are going in some of the singer them now. Right now, no singer no there at Jamaica where sing the song like Sanchez and them man there. You understand me? Every music I make now, you're not hearing no real singing like swinging sweet and them artists there. You not hear the singer them. Right now I want to hear some singer come out and sing some classic, brother. We not hear about no singer. All we hear about a dancehall. You understand me? See him khago try change the thing there and try put reggae back on his feet. You understand me? And it work. You understand me? That's why I always a big him up. Don't care what people ain't say bad about him. You understand me? Yeah, we have to big him up because he's a man that working money and putting in things and turning money and make Keep Rich buy his 2 pieces of sitting. Keep Rich drive guard the place, get it put in the suitcase, carry down in call him Keep Rich game. You understand me? And here one now, all I want to know to help Keep Rich, you know, because if I was an artist, I would help Keep Rich. Because Keep Rich keep up the clashing thing up in the ear. You understand me? Keep Rich is a man where, and them man ain't afraid of no artist. I real clash artist. You understand me? I see it there in like a juvenile born over Colombia, and then now they have a problem because they want a ear tax to carry him back to America. You understand me? But the money big, because nearly 100,000 for the yearly for alone, because private ambulance plane. So them think they're not joke something, so it cost a whole heap of money. You understand me? But me hear one blogger girl say on the television say, Keep his girlfriend he do one like a fake something one time. That's why them say a fake him a fake the thing. But in a reality, and a fake him a fake the thing. Them a go through the process for true. And they want some more money. So any artist who watch this, they have fundraising thing on them thing. You don't know if you find it. So just find it and send $100 and $300. Whosoever can send it. You understand me? In a woman world now, Spice is a real big woman. You understand me? She a queen, I dancer. You see me? So when it comes to Spice now, nobody can test Spice. That's why ladies have to draw to church. You understand me? Because Spice come with a different thing. Ladies are wicked dancehall artists. Big, but him have to left it because the pressure in the dancehall rough. You understand me? The woman them have to go to church and all of the bad man them in the artist thing, they end up at prison. And the whole like woman them end up at church. You understand me? Look on ladies are the biggest dancehall artists what we have in Jamaica back in the days. You understand me? And now Spice a lead. Why you think Spice a lead? I choose Spice nah left the dancehall and go to church. You understand me? Because if ladies are never there at church, I would have the same thing with him. I would have the same thing with him and Spice. Like how you see Vibes Cartel and all of them are got to it. You understand me? But Spice now have no competition right now. So him are going to do that for a long time. You understand me? And in a real world competition important, my people. And when we say important, and a competition for proof by your brother, you know. You understand me? When you're in a dance hall and music thing, you have a competition. All if you don't go up against nobody, you have to know say music have to be number one. You understand me? So all of the people them you just understand what Dogface I say. A Dogface Rasta culture, you know, we love people, you know. You understand me? And we just have some free flow, you see me? Yeah, so them thing are no scripting or no planting or nothing. I just attack my mind, brother. You understand me? Big up Vibes Cartel. Big up Alkaline. Big up Popcorn. You understand me? Big up all the artists them. My father, I say a word, brother. You're a thing different, giant. You understand me? You're not normally say giant. You understand me? When you see a human being, you see him big and tall and strong. You say he's a giant. You understand me? Well, I'm a father that giant in our business. Column. You understand me? And them on the column, a 2-inch steel and 3-inch steel and 5-inch steel. Hold up them on the column, brother. A little half-inch steel and inch and a half steel can hold up them on the thing. So we have to just know it comes to, brother. You understand me? Big up the world. You understand me? A Dogface Rasta culture, an entertainer. We are linked up today. You understand me? So all entertainer, we love you, all of you, we don't have nothing against you. But you know, so when we attack, we can't talk and equal the thing because the thing can't equal. Because if it can't equal by doing the music, no, it can't equal by we speaking about it. You understand me? So I just love and respect to all artists and wanna just do better, brother, and stop fight against one another. Because look on the Chinese people them. One China come to Jamaica with the money and open a store. And the other week you see one other China. And the other month you see 2 more come afford that. And the other 3 months you see 7 more come. You understand me? I attend that. So them I work with them one another. But we know we are going against one another. And that's not good for our culture, brother. Just live and respect one another. I know say artists have to live and all artists have to eat, brother. Yeah man, all artists have to eat. So when I talk to you, I reality me I talk, brother. Respect and manners to all I producer them. Yeah, all I producer them. Respect and manners, same way.